Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to part 2 of the 20 pack opening. We have another 10 packets, WWE Attax 2021 cards. I'm looking for an autograph. Can I find one? Can we find another rare card in here? If you haven't checked out the last part, do go back and check it out. We did it again. We packed another John Cena NWO card. Can't believe it. Absolutely incredible. So do go back and check that out if you haven't seen it already. Here's our 10 packs for today. Let's move them across to the side. We're going to go through these and we're going to see what we get out of these 10. Again, I'd love for an autograph out of these. I now only have 50 cards also left to get, so we've only got 50 cards left to complete the whole collection. Let's see what we can get. I really hope there's something in these packets today. So here's packet 1 of 10, 12 cards in each as always. There's the back suite. Now let's rip into it and see what we get. So let's pop those over there. There we go. Rubbish over there. So first pack, let's see what we get. First card is a Clash of Champions Bobby Lashley. There we go. It's the first card of the first pack. Let's see what else we've got here. We have a Legends Batista card. There we are. And our third card is a rare Damian Priest. That's a lovely card. A lovely Damian Priest rare card there, if I can get my words out. Really nice blue and gold design. That's a lovely card to get. That's fantastic. Now into the base cards. We have Tamina, who I believe I need her, so that's good. We have the NXT Tag Team Championships. We have Hulk Hogan 25th Anniversary. We have the NXT UK title. We then have Finn Balor, who I've already got, sadly. And then we've got the Mankind 25th Anniversary card. Sasha Banks Boss Booster. We have a finisher, Figure 4 Leg Lock, which I do need, so that's good. That's the one we do need. And bottom one here is Karrion Kross. So that is our first pack there of cards. That is just a security tag. If you want to see what they are, they are just random security tags that go in the packs. Let's get into pack 2. Let's grab this one. It's a purple pack, jewel on the front. Can we find an autograph? Are we going to find an autograph card in one of these? I know it's very hard to do. It's one thing we haven't done yet, and it would be awesome if we did. So let's have a look. Let's see what card 1 is. It is... It's 100 Club Roman Reigns. Oh, fantastic. Oh, absolutely fantastic. That is awesome. It's actually 100 club, but it's 101 attack and defense. Look at that. That is awesome. That is absolutely awesome. There we go. Let's open them up. That's card number 365. That is fantastic. That is absolutely fantastic. What a card. Anything on the back here? Nothing on the back. Same as usual, but what a card. I do need this, and we've managed to get it. The 100 club Roman Reigns, but he's actually 101, which is awesome. That is fantastic. What a pull, ladies and gents. What a pull. I'm so happy to get that. That was one that we needed. I've only got 50 left to go, and that one I thought was going to be tough. So we've got him. We've got him. I'm very happy with that. What a pull. Again, in our second packet. These packs, if you haven't got any, these are brilliant packs, 12 cards in each, and we just seem to get great stuff. We've had 2 NWO John Cena's that are different packs. We've got 100 Club Roman Reigns. I mean, unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. Our next one is Mandy Rose SummerSlam. Absolutely brilliant. These cards have just been fantastic. SmackDown card. I actually do need the SmackDown card, so that is fantastic. We do need that. Then next is a Thank You Taker card. That is fantastic. I think I've already got that one though, so that's a shame, but I do already have that. Next one is Carmella base card. I'm going to go through these quite quickly because I think you've obviously seen a lot of these already. It's Uso Splash. There we go. And Retribution Tag Team, which I believe I have. The Street Profits Tag Team cards. Jason Riker. I do need that, I believe, so that's a good card. Going to have base card I need. Natalia. Absolutely gorgeous Natalia card there. Lovely. Then we've got Murphy base card. And we've got the Riptide Finisher, which I believe I need as well. So that is fantastic. So that's another one we need there. So fantastic. I mean, 100 Club Roman Reigns in our second packet. There does seem to be a thing about the second packet. Our second packet last time, we got the NWO Rare John Cena in part 1 of this. Again, if you haven't checked it out, do go back and check that out. Incredible. How incredible is that? To pick that out, I just think it was absolutely incredible. Here he is again. I'll just show you again there. 100 Club. Although he's 101 there for attack and defense. Roman Reigns. Look at that. Beautiful card. Absolutely beautiful card. Very, very happy to pick that up. That is a fantastic pull out of these 10. Not what I'm still looking for, though. We still want an autograph. So let's rip into the next one. Let's see what we can get. And as I said, guys, I will whip through the base cards a bit quicker because I know a lot of you have seen a lot of the base cards already. Special cards, autograph cards, hopefully autograph cards if we get them. So first card is a Payback Keith Lee. I do need this. So that's fantastic. I know I need him, so that's brilliant. Our next one, a Bret the Hitman Hart Legends card. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful Bret the Hitman Hart Legends card. And our third one, Thank You Taker. This is the last one I needed. This is the last Thank You Taker card that I needed. So this is great. This is fantastic. This is exactly what I needed to finish off the Thank You Taker subset. Very happy. Very, very happy. That's brilliant. The Roman Reigns 100 card, that Thank You Taker card, my collection's coming together. I'm hoping to get this down to maybe only 30 left after today. We're on 50 as it stood before the video. Let's see what we get next. Indy Hartwell. I believe I've already got her. Next one, Wolfgang. I think we need him, so that's good. Nash Carter, I do have him. Randy Orton base card, we have him. Nikki Cross, I do need this. So Nikki Cross is fantastic because we need her. That's another one down. Tag team of Everrise, we need them as well. So that is good. So picking up a lot of stuff here that we need. Lindsay Dorado, may need him as well. Not too sure. Next one is Bray Wyatt. We need this. I don't have his base card, so I definitely need that. So that is fantastic. It's another one off the list. And Sister Abigail Finisher there. So that was a great pack because that had a few cards in that we needed. The Thank You Taker card, fantastic, exactly what I wanted. So we are at the moment, we are, how many have we got left? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 7 packs left at the moment, guys. So we've still got 7 packs left to go. It's only from 3 packs so far. Looking really, really good. Let's get into the next one. It is a green pack here. Let's see what we've got. The green pack's always been lucky for me. So is it going to be lucky today? Is it going to be a lucky pack for me? Let's pop that there. Let's have a look. Let's start off. And it is an Edge Royal Rumble booster. A lovely card, but I do already have it. I did get that in a pack opening recently. Next one. Damian Priest. Lovely card here. A Breakout Stars card. Absolutely lovely. Lovely card that. There we go. And our third one. Raw Heroes Bray Wyatt. I need this. I definitely do need this. So Bray Wyatt's been quite prominent in these. There we are. Just to show him there. Bray Wyatt actually needs base and I needed this. So this is really, really good. Really, really good. Lots of cards I need here. Tag Team of the Way. And now into all the base cards. Ricochet. I know we've already got him. Sami Zayn. NXT Women's Championship. Dakota Kai. The Hurt Business Factions card. I think I need this, so that's a good card. The NXT UK Tag Team titles. Tyler Rust, who I do have. And AJ Styles, to finish off the pack there. Again, another fantastic pack. These packs just keep giving out and they just keep giving us great stuff. So here's our next one. We are this is pack number 5. So we've got 5 packs remaining after this. Pack number 5, purple pack. Let's rip it. Let's rip it and let's see what we get. There with the cards. Get that out of the way. Are we going to get an autograph? Am I going to get something special? Are we going to get something better than 100 Club Roman Reigns and the Heroes Bray Wyatt card, which looks insane, by the way. It's really amazing. What we're going to get, it is Angelo Dawkins. I think we need this booster card. So that's brilliant. That's really good. Next one. Friendship Frog, I need this to complete the set. I actually needed this, so this is fantastic. That I needed to complete the Bray Wyatt set, so that's awesome. And the third one, NXT Heroes Pete Dunne, a tremendous card. I do already have it, unfortunately, but a lovely, lovely card. Next one, Finisher Styles Clash. We need this, so this is excellent. So I'll just hold it there. See that a bit better. There we go. And our next one is Roman Reigns base card. We do have him. WWE Championship card. Boa, I know we've got him. Tyler Bate. Kane. WWE Championship. The 24/7 Championship, I do need this, so that's a good card to get because I did need that. And Factions Imperium, I need this as well. So a lot coming off my list, and there's just a security tag there at the bottom. A lot coming off my list here for cards that I need. And through the 5-pack so far, I think I'm doing actually really, really well. I think we're looking good. I mean, there is obviously a lot of swaps because we are now at the point of only had 50 cards remaining, as I keep saying. So there's going to be a lot of swaps at this point. However, we are getting a lot of cards I think we need as well. So looking really good. So next one is Bray Wyatt on the front. Let's have a look at this. Let's see what we get in here. Out it comes again. These packs are so easy to open. The quality of the cards is fantastic. Let's pop that in there. Our first card, January Gooden. What have we got? Bayley. We've got Bayley as a Backlash booster. I think I need her. So that's a good card to get. Next one. Hulk Hogan's Legends card. I do have this, but what an awesome card. What an awesome card that is. And our third one, Kevin Owens hero card. I do have this as well. So it's unfortunate. So a lot of those, unfortunately, I do have already. Let's see if there's anything in the base that we need. I do need this. So that's good. That's a tag team that I need. That's fantastic. Raw Women's title. Dolph Ziggler base card. We do already have him. Pop him over there. And then we've got Sasha Banks. I did need this. I do need this base card. So that's good. And then Ivor. I think I've got Eric. So I think I need Ivor. So that's, again, another good one. Shotzi Blackheart, Ember Moon. I do have them, I think, already. The Rock 25th anniversary. I do have that. Unfortunately already, so that's a bit of a shame. Mark Coffey, I do have him already. And the final card of this pack, Kevin Owens base card, which I believe I do need. So that is a nice little pull there. So unfortunately, a lot of only one of the special cards, or three, only one of them I needed. So a bit of a shame. We now have 4 packs left. Can we find an autograph? Am I going to get an autograph in one of these cards? We're on our lucky green ones. Now the green ones have always been lucky for us. They've always been lucky. It's the last green one that I've got here. So let's go for it. Let's see if we can get something special in one of the green packets. Here we are. There's the cards. Is it going to be something special? Is it going to be something cool? What have we got? It is... Oh, I picked up 2, but I've actually picked up an Icon Seth Rollins card. Look at that. That is one we need. We actually do need this. I actually picked up 2 in one go. So we'll look at the next one in a minute. But... look at that. That is beautiful. And WWE Icons, Seth Rollins. I love these purple cards. They are beautiful. That is fantastic. I'm ever so pleased with that. That is a tremendous pull. And the one we picked up with it was a Big E card. I think I need this, TLC card. So that's good. And our third one out of this pack is Big E Breakout Stars. We need him as well. So that's awesome. So a lot of Big E in this pack. That is fantastic. Raw Hero Charlotte. We need this as well. This is this agreed. Green packets, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you now, green packets bring you good stuff. Then we have Peyton Royce. I believe I need this, so that's good. Next one is Tony Nese. I think we've already have Tony. Next one, Aria Davari. I believe I need this, so that is good. We need him. Then we have Raul Mendoza. I think I've already got this chap here. The Bollywood Boys. I think I need this tag team, so that's good. Edge card. Look at that. Look at that for a base card. Fantastic. I think I've already got him, but lovely card. Then Bobby Lashley base card. And our final card of the pack is a Claymore Kick. Green packet, although no autograph in it. Do you know what? It came up with some fantastic cards in there. The Charlotte Raw Heroes, the Big E Breakout Stars, and the Seth Rollins purple. Cool. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So again, these packets, they keep going. We've got 3 more left to go in this opening. Am I going to get an autograph? Am I not? Let's have a look. Here's the next one. It is a purple one. Let's see what we've got. Drew McIntyre on the front. Is there a Drew McIntyre signed card inside? There's something underneath it here. Oh, it's the security thing again. Always these security cards. Right, there we go. Let's pop it over there. And it's going to be something special. It is 100 Club Bianca Belair. We do already have it, but 100 Club cards are beautiful. That is awesome. What a lovely, lovely card that is. Our next one, Roman Reigns SummerSlam card. I need this, so that's fantastic. Then we've got WWE card. We do have that, unfortunately, but a lovely card that. Very, very nice feel to it as well. Then we have a rare Ricochet. I need this. This is something we need. So rare Ricochet card. That is fantastic. Look at that. That is brilliant. I'm really thinning it out now. I think, personally, I reckon I'm only going to have about 30 left to get after this. So it's looking really, really good. Ember Moon, we need her. So that's good. Again, another one we need. This is fantastic. Miz and John Morrison, I need those as well. So that is awesome. The Hurt Lock finisher there. Then we have the SmackDown Women's title. We have Moonsault, Shirai. John Morrison card, which I believe I need, base card, so that's fantastic. A lot of John Morrison and Miz in here. Asuka and Charlotte Flair. Excellent. I think we need that one as well. And the last one of this pack, Mustache Mountain, we need that as well. Absolutely brilliant. So this is going really, really well. Really, really well. We haven't found an autograph card, but we've got that lovely purple Seth Rollins. We've got a purple Bianca Belair. We've packed our Roman Reigns card, which is just awesome. We've got the Thank You Taker card as well. I mean, there's the Roman Reigns there. Just look at it. It looks absolutely fantastic. Probably our best pull of the pack so far. That 100 Club is absolutely fantastic. I love the blue on it as well. It's a beautiful card. Beautiful, beautiful card. Now we have 2 packs remaining. We've got 2 left. Which one shall we go for? It's either Bray Wyatt or it's Roman Reigns. I think we're going to leave the Bray Wyatt one till last. I've got a feeling about the Bray Wyatt one. So I don't think we're going to get anything in this one. No one can say that we're going to get something. But let's open her up and let's see what we get. Let's get that out of the way. So, second last pack. What can we get, guys? It's a Charlotte Flair Icons card. I was wrong, obviously. I think, oh yeah, this won't have anything in it. And then look, an Icon Charlotte Flair. Look at that. Beautiful. We've got another purple card. These are absolutely awesome. I'm just very, very pleased to get another one of these. Charlotte Flair. Wow. That is incredible. Next one, AJ Styles Survivor Series card. And third one, Abby. Oh, dropped it there. Abby the Witch. There we go. Then we have, I need this NXT Heroes card, Trent 7. So that's awesome. That's another one we need. That is brilliant. And then we've got Jordan Devlin base card. We've got Dirty Dogs and Apollo Crews. They both come at the same time. So there's Dirty Dogs. There's Apollo Crews. We'll just put them in front of the screen there. There we are. I think we need Apollo Crews, so that's good. Next one, Alpha Academy. We do already have them, unfortunately. And next is Andrews and Webster. We do have them. Then we've got the Bro Booster, Matt Riddle. We have Naomi, who we do have. And our last card of this one is Isaiah Scott. So we have one more pack left. This is our very last pack. It's been fantastic. Another fantastic opening. This is our very last one. What can we pull in the very last one? Am I destined to get an autograph? Well, am I not? I don't think I am, to be honest. I have tried. We have tried to get an autograph in these openings. We've done 4 of them. I've done 1 full box and I've done 20 packs, 10 in each. The very final one. What are we going to get? Ready? 3, 2, 1. 100 Club Bobby Lashley. Another 100 Club card. Been very lucky with these 100 Clubs. That is fantastic. That is fantastic. Been very, very lucky with those. Our next one. Extreme Rules Seth Rollins. And then a Legends Ric Flair. Fantastic. There we go. I do already have it, but I do love a Ric Flair Legends card. A Roman Reigns Heroes card. A Cesaro base card. Then we have a Chad Gable, who I believe I need, so that's fantastic. Austin Theory. I think we need him as well. Lucha House Party tag team card. Joaquin Wild. Liv Morgan, Finisher Bailey to Belly. And our very last card of this pack opening, it is Vanessa Bourne. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. So that is another 10 packets opened. We've come across some fantastic cards here. We really have. You know, I mean, you got a Roman Reigns Heroes card there. We got a Ric Flair Legends card there. The 100 Club Bobby Lashley on top of that. You know, we have just come across some fantastic things. And not only that, more 100 Club cards here with the Charlotte card as well. Let's move those out of the way. Bring those up. Like the Charlotte card there has been absolutely awesome. And actually, let's put it as the trio. Let's put Roman in there as well. All 3 100 cards. Look at that in this pack opening. And actually, we do have 4 100 Club cards. So actually, let's move them across. Let's put Bianca in there as well. So we have packed a lot of things here. A lot of things. And actually, been very, very lucky. Also, we've got put a Seth Icons card there in the middle. So we've got an Icons card. Sorry, an Icons card there for Charlotte. So I did say 100 Club, but I didn't mean to say Icon card. We have just packed some fantastic things in these openings and just got some great, great stuff. So it has been absolutely fantastic. What a fantastic collection these cards are. And I think now I'm very, very close to completing these. I think I'm guessing I'm about 30 away. So I'm really not far away now from finishing these up. But there you go, guys. That is the last of the 20 packs, the last 10. Hope you've enjoyed watching it. I may have some more packs soon, possibly if I want to complete the collection. Might have to get a few more in. Won't get as many. I'll probably do about 5 if I get some more in. And we'll see what we can get. Maybe an autograph. Maybe I'll get a tin. Maybe I'll see what we get in those. But there we are, guys. That is the end of the opening. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've all enjoyed it. And I'll see you all again very, very soon.